This is Parashat Shoftim. At the end of the parasha talks about ki matzeh chalal ba'adama. If they find a corpse on the ground, that Hashem gives it to you, and he was falling. And we don't know who hit him, who struck him. Now Torah says, what should we do? That the Sechenim of Shoftim, they should come, that's close to that city, and they should have the female calf cow that we bring it, and the Sechenim come and on the Nachal Iton, on the valley of Iton, and and they shall break the neck from the back of the Globanacha. And they say something on that. What they say, because they say, they say that our hands didn't shed this blood, spill this blood. And we didn't see him. Very interesting. Oh, the Chazal say, do you think that really this Zekanim, this Chachamim, they shed the blood? They are murderers? They're not murderers. The wife says, Yatenu lo shapochet adam hazeh. Vechi all Torah, she says, God adav shezichnei betin shopchet tamim hem. The betin, they are bloodshedding, right? They murdered him. Ella lo ra'inuhu v'ftanu b'lo mechonot b'lo b'leviyah. When they say we didn't spill this blood, that means to say that they are admitting, they are saying that we didn't see him, he's leaving the town, and not to give him food and not to accompany him while he's living. That means when we saw that he's living, we didn't see that he's living and not to give him mezonot and not to accompany him. But if that's the case, what the Lashon is, we didn't spill this blood. Spilling blood is much different than not giving mezonot or not accompany him. And we see very straight that he was killed. Was slain. If somebody killed him, he didn't die through hunger. Somebody killed him. Sabam Kelem said an unbelievable point. Sabam Kelem said, yes, somebody killed him. But what was our attitude toward him when he came to our city? Did we give him attention? Did we accompany him when he was leaving? Did we give him the stature of Adam Chashuv, Adam important person? That we care for you, we love you. And if we didn't do that, then we weakened him. Other people have power when you empower them. And when you don't care for them, you don't show any interest, you don't give any attention. Somebody comes, a stranger in the city, you don't give any attention, nothing, and you have to travel with a very low mood, very, very weak. He would travel. And obviously, he doesn't have that energy and power to protect himself. Anybody could kill him. Anybody could destroy him. He's very dare to be killed. And whose fault is that? Who is shedding this blood? Those that didn't give attention. Those who even gave power, empowered him, weakened him. Those that he did that, they killed him. Very interesting concept in Torah. A lot of times, we could give chizuk, strength. We could give encouragement. No, giving strength and encouragement to somebody is not just giving him some power. We empower him to protect himself. We're giving him life. We're giving him vitality. And in the problems of life, he could be a better soldier. He could fight better. He's stronger. And the body is stronger. He has more health into him. Somebody has a lot of pressure. You talk to him, get him out of the pressure. Somebody needs hizuk, strength, and idud, help. You hold his hand and tell him that I'm there for you. You give him life. You give him existence. It's not just the encouraging word that, okay, I say, I don't say, it's not so important. What does my word do? Torah is teaching us a lot of times people are pitfall. They might fall. You don't hold their hand, don't give them the encouragement that you should give. Now, this person could be anybody. It could be your child, your wife, your cousin, your neighbor, somebody that sits next to you in the shul, anybody. And you could be an instrument to give him help, give him the chizuk, and do that you could. But when we see that, we should be helpful. We should help. We should get them. You see somebody is not feeling so well, somebody's down. Let's find out what is it happening. What is it? You know, Yosef Hasadir, when he saw two people, Sarah and Sarah, Jim said, "Why do you have a front face today? Why are you so sad?" He asked them, "Why are you so sad?" They told him, and that was a way to get redemption. So tell us, he got redemption because he asked them, "How are you feeling?" A lot of times we just, "How are you feeling?" gets redemption. A lot of times we see that you have such a position, or he was hostages, he was in prison. Now you have to climb mountains to release yourself. But Yosef Hasadik did it with what? Asking that, "How are you feeling? Are you sad? What makes you sad?" This type of talk got him out of the prison. Sometimes I wish Baruch sends our remedies with our being helpful to other people, the way that we relate to them, the way that we talk to them. And that would be a remedy for us. Therefore, we should take the opportunity. Here, Torah at the end of the parsha teaches us such important yesod in life. Always be encouraging and be helpful. And don't say, "Okay, what could I do?" or what my words does. But Torah telling us the encouraging word gives life to people. So if they tell you that you got the medicine to give life to people, you'll be so encouraged and so powerful to do it. You have patience, you have time, you have money, you have everything. Here also, your words could save life. And that's an important point that Torah wants us to know and to adapt it in our life.